What's up, YouTube fam? It is Sunday morning. It's decently warm out, and most importantly, we got our RS back from the dealer. It took, well, we dropped off February 1st, and we got it back Friday 16th, I think it was. So a month and a half of the dealership having our car. At first, we thought the RS was okay because we did our VIN search on a forum that we found, and it did not fall within the affected VINs, so we thought we were good. The wife went out one morning, started the car, and it was misfiring like crazy and would barely stay running on its own, and then it smartened up and drove to work, told me about it, I told the dealer about it. I got in the car. Well, you guys seen the video. The video is on my channel. And long story short, there was coolant present on the spark plug, present in cylinder 4. So our car got a brand new head and a brand new head gasket. So about a $6,000 job all said and done with labor and the rental car that we had for a month and a half. So it was pretty expensive. Kind of makes me curious for the 2016s how Ford made any type of money at all on that car. But who knows? Who knows the real answer? Some cars, there's two kits available from my understanding. One is the whole shit and shebang, head gasket, head, all the new stuff, and then the other one's just the head gasket. 20 hours of labor, I think it was. I got the write-up in the car. So crazy, but so far from what I can tell, the car, it doesn't necessarily feel faster like I wondered this whole time, but there's definitely a better throttle response when it's at temperature and we're at highway speeds. So before, I kind of noticed the car was getting a little sluggish in my mind. I was like, whatever, it's just me getting used to the car. But it wasn't, because now I have the car and I'm like, hey, this is what I remember it being like off a roll. So off a roll, it seems way faster than it was prior to the head gasket change and the head change. So that issue is fixed. I'm just so happy that our car is no longer gonna have the possibility of the head gasket or the head going from this fault. So we should be good for, you know, the next, I don't know, 5 to 10 years, no problem. We do plan on modding the car soon. I really want to get a tuner in there. I'm going to do some research on which one should I buy and how it'll affect warranty and what we should be prepared for. Now that the head gasket and head's changed, that's out of the question. They won't deny it for any modifications because it's done. So yeah, I'm obviously not in the RS, I'm in the 4Runner, and that's because I got a free door for the Type R. And that's coming from buddy who sold me the trim. He just texted me and said, hey, you want a door? I'm sending this shell to the garbage. I said, sure. So that's nice of him. Got a free door. Now I just got to put it in my garage and get it painted and prepped. I'll probably do all the prep work and then send it to my paint guy. And what else? Harness is on the way for the Supra. It's getting built as we speak. Pretty stoked about that because that's the last piece of the puzzle. Pretty much need a turbo now. And I also bought a factory wing for the Supra because as time goes on, I really appreciate and like the factory lines of a Mark IV Supra. I love the TRD wing too, and I'm pretty sure mine's authentic. I'm gonna verify that though when I take it off. But I'm going to keep both, and I'm going to switch from the TRD to the OEM one as I please. I really like the looks of both of them. I'm going to keep my lip on and keep the car the way it is. I've been waiting for this look for a while. So that's really all I had to say. If anyone else has, you know, got their head or head gasket changed for their RS, let me know if you've noticed anything. We've only put about 100 kilometers on it since we got it back. And like I said, it's really nice to have it back. We were in that Ford Fusion for a month and a half, and the RS is, in comparison, very much more refined for a performance car, and it's apparent once you jump in it from that Fusion. So it's putting a smile back on our face, and that's exactly why we purchased that car. So that's good news. But let me know if you guys notice anything. Like I said, right now all we've noticed is there's much more throttle response off on a roll. It was always quick out of the hole, and it still is quick out of the hole, but we've noticed that since this change, on a roll, it's a lot more responsive. That's the word I'm looking for. So let me know, drop a comment below, like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right, thanks, peace.